Welcome to this step-by-step guide to baking a rich, moist chocolate cake from scratch. Before we get started, let's go over everything you'll need. For the cake, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. For the chocolate frosting, you'll need half a cup of unsalted butter, 2/3 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/3 of a cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's start with the dry ingredients. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Make sure everything is evenly combined before moving on. This is the base of your cake, so taking a moment here pays off later. Now for the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs lightly, then add the milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Stir until everything is well combined. The wet mixture should look smooth and slightly golden from the eggs and oil. It's time to bring the two together. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, mixing on medium speed for about 2 minutes. You'll notice the batter coming together into a thick, glossy mixture. Then carefully stir in the boiling water. The batter will become much thinner. That's completely normal, and it's what makes this cake so incredibly moist. Divide the batter evenly between your 2 prepared pans. Place them in the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once done, remove the pans from the oven and let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, let's make the frosting. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Stir in the cocoa powder until smooth. Remove from heat and alternately add the powdered sugar and milk, beating until the frosting reaches a spreadable consistency. Stir in the vanilla extract. Once your cakes are fully cooled, place 1 layer on your serving plate, spread a generous amount of frosting on top, then place the second layer on top and frost the top and sides of the entire cake. And there you have it. A beautiful, decadent chocolate cake made completely from scratch. Slice it up, serve it to your family and friends, and enjoy every single bite. Happy baking!